The students that are studying the Certificate 1 in Work Education Sport are generally school leavers who are 18 years of age and have an intellectual disability, aspiring to have a career in the sport industry and or trying to improve their athletic ability.
Essentially what we're doing, in the past we've done some testing to find out baselines, fitness and strength baselines. We take that sort of data and then start creating training programs which moves them into the direction they want to be as an athlete, so they can start understanding, how to train other people to work with their skill sets.
Throughout this course, the students get an opportunity to do a number of work integrated learning and practical placement opportunities in the sport industry. In particular, recently we've been out to Rec West Braybrook, which is YMCA, and the students have been running a basketball program there for adults with an intellectual disability. So the students have had experience in coaching, in umpiring, in doing the warm-ups and scoring, and they've basically been running that full program for the students.
Today we did a session with one of Chris's kids. We had to use ropes, we had to do planks, we had to do weights and do like a plank and do the other stuff. My favourite one is doing the rope, so like using the two ropes at the same time with my hand. Hoping to get a job, like at a sport shop somewhere close where I live, or maybe do like a job at a school like being a sports teacher or a fitness teacher.